Okay, let's dive into this. Today, we're going to explore a really powerful idea by looking at something we all know, just a single word. We're going to see how making things simple and clear can unlock understanding for, well, pretty much everyone. And you know that feeling, right? You look up a word because you want to understand it, but the definition is full of even more words you don't know. It's a super common frustration. It feels like hitting a wall, and it can just stop learning cold. But what if there's a better way to do things? Well, there is. It's a whole concept called Simple English. It's a version of the language that's intentionally designed to be clear. And listen, this isn't about dumbing down information, not at all. It's about being smart, engineering language to be as direct and accessible as it can be. Think of it like a master key that opens the door of knowledge for the most people possible. To really see this in action, we're going to do a little case study on one word: throat. We'll be using its entry from the Simple English Wiktionary because it is the perfect example of how this whole philosophy works in the real world. So let's start by breaking this entry down. You know, like a mechanic looks at an engine, we're going to do a little verbal anatomy on the word throat to see what makes a simple definition tick so well. Right off the bat, just look at how clear this is. You've got the pronunciation guides for the UK and the US, right there, side by side. No dense paragraphs, no confusion, just the essential info you need to say the word correctly, all laid out in this really clean, easy-to-compare way. And here it is, the core definition. Now, pay attention to the words they use: tube, inside, neck, air, mouth, lungs. Every single one of those is a common, basic word. There's no talk about the pharynx or the larynx. It just tells you exactly what it is and what it does in the simplest terms you can imagine. It's direct, it's accurate, and you get it instantly. This is just brilliant because it shows the next step: context. A definition is one thing, but seeing the word used in a simple, relatable sentence, that's what makes the meaning stick. I mean, who hasn't had a sore throat? This example connects that abstract definition to a real, physical feeling we can all recognize. But a great definition is only the first step. To truly understand a word, you kind of need to know where it fits in the grand scheme of things, right? And this is where it gets really clever. The entry basically gives you a map for your mind. It places throat right there inside the torso category, alongside neck and shoulders. So it doesn't just define the word, it organizes the concept for you, showing its relationship to other parts of the body. This is how you build a real, solid understanding. Okay, so we've seen how well this works for understanding just one word. But the true power of this approach, that becomes obvious when we zoom out and look at the global impact. So ask yourself this: how far can one perfectly simple, universally understandable definition actually travel? What kind of reach does that kind of clarity give it? 59. That's the answer. 59. This simple entry for throat is available in 59 different languages. That is the incredible result of putting clarity first. One clear idea can cross dozens of linguistic and cultural borders, helping learners everywhere. It's amazing. So here's the crucial point. We need to completely reframe how we think about simplicity. It is not about a lack of intelligence. It is a feature, not a bug. It's a deliberate design choice that removes barriers, maximizes reach, and empowers people with knowledge. Simple is efficient. Simple is inclusive. Simple is powerful. And that leaves us with one final thought to take with you. Just imagine a world where user manuals, legal contracts, scientific papers, the news, what if it was all written with this same commitment to clarity? Just think, what if everything was this easy to understand?